Hey guys, how you doing? This is Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series. If you guys haven't noticed, like last week, there wasn't really an actual video for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I took a break, a short break till today. Today was I'm slowly getting back into painting and stuff. Uh, but anyhow, subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Leave down the comments if any question I want me to answer for future videos for it. So I am finishing up my puppet miniature. Some of the shorts are already out, puppet ones. For Ashley's one shot. If Ashley doesn't need them by this end of Thursday from the one shot that we're gonna do, then I'm gonna sell it. I'm selling a lot of stuff on our yard sale. Got the uh, permit from the county. Yes, you need to get a permit in the county just to sell stuff. So a lot of miniatures are going to be sold. I'll be selling a lot of miniatures, selling both my printers because every freaking year printers are coming in bigger and cheaper. So there is a 16-inch printer that I think Phison printer makes. Uh, but I want it. It's a 16-inch 8K printer that I really do want. Laser printer. I saw one for 20-inch, but I can't find it. But I'll probably just wait another year or two. The 20-inch printers will come out because last year was 13-inch, and it's jumped from 13 to 16. It'll be 16 to probably 19 to 19 20-inch for resin printer. I print a lot of big stuff, especially for terrains and so forth. So also we are going to be moving from this office to the art room, um, and I'll be doing painting with Ashley in that room because I get during the summer it's very hot in here. I had to turn the fan on. Like I turned the fan off. I'm recording or live streaming. Um, and also when it's winter, this place is gonna be very cold. So Ashley and I decided to actually use this as a storage, whatever miniatures we have left over. Like I'm not selling my pewter or my plastic ones that I bought with my own money. We're keeping those. The 3D prints that I 3D printed myself, I'm selling all of the majority of them, not all of it, majority of because we still need some for D&D. I have a lot of failed D&D prints that you can use make into terrains. So a lot of people, I don't know if people want to do crafts and stuff. I'll be selling them per piece very cheaply because I need some empty bins and I just cannot keep stacking empty bins. I'll be selling the Quest 2. Um, a lot of my old Japanese video games I have for since I was in Japan. So I'll be selling a lot of stuff for that, and also we're going to be jazzing up the art room, then work our way down to the loft area, then work down to the downstairs, and Ashley will have her own tea room and living room and stuff like that. So it costs a lot of money, and we have a lot of junk. Not well, we have a lot of stuff that we accumulate over the years. If you're married for like more than 10 years, like I am, you accumulate a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff you don't know why you still have. Like we still have DVDs and Blu-rays, and we never even touch it because we watch it during the streaming service, or we own it on Vudu. But other than that, is getting to that point. You know, I will be 35 very soon. In a blink of an eye, I'll become 35, and we will need to get everything condensed. Then yeah, you basically just sell or give away shit. Then you buy more shit to cover up the emptiness of it as well. So I don't know. I really don't know how to get on with this because I have a lot of paints that I am going to be actually displaying on a those acrylic nail that you use and put it on the wall. You see the nail salon. I'm gonna get that for my paints and Ashley paints. So we're going to be sharing a room again like we did in the past. And I'm excited for that. So I can actually spend time with my wife instead of, she's so far away from me from downstairs watching TV and on her computer for that as well. We are going to be probably getting the video capture card next month because Disagia 7's coming or 7's coming out this month, and I will have it, but I won't be able to stream it probably till next month. I don't have $200 right now just to buy the video capture card. The firmware from what I have, they never released it, so we're just gonna have to wait for that. Um, what else do we have? Uh, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be a lot of work. I gotta change all the light fixtures in the house to brighter LED lights. Is these aren't not doing the tricks for it, and I don't know why. It's just we need because the bulbs sucks. So you need to get an actual like one of those bathroom LED lights that is like actually bright because you need that brightness for painting and stuff like that. But it is, yeah. But I'm excited. The year is almost ended. A lot of new games are coming. I didn't make a dumb decision of pre-ordering Final Fantasy VII Part Two. Yeah, I got the collector's edition, and I can't cancel it or freaking return it. So I'm stuck with a $400 bill for a damn collector edition that I should not get right away. But I done it. I paid for it, and there's nothing I can do about it. And all I can do is moan and cry and see what happens next. But other than that, I don't think I have much for you guys to do. We are be switching to Warhammer pretty soon when I'm done with the puppets painting. We're gonna be two-part puppets pieces that we're gonna be doing. That should be done by tomorrow. By actually all the way, they all should be done by Wednesday. Part one should be done by tomorrow. I'm gonna start part two of the puppet tomorrow. That should be done by Wednesday because she needs that for her campaign. Then I will be switching it over to doing, I believe we'll be doing Dark Angels or Chaos, for that matter. I know it's October. We might do Orcs instead. So I don't know. I am still juggling around the idea which one I should do for that as well because I'll be painting and Ash and I will be clearing out and moving stuff like that. We're also gonna make a pile for the yard sale for it. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Actually, I know this is a very short video, but it is what it is. I guess it's just that unless I can freaking talk my ass for an hour, I'm not that good. I'm just too tired and exhausted. It was one of those things is that you stare at a screen for 32 hours within 2 days. I had sleep in between. Looking at proxy magic cards for it. Yeah, I can talk about that. I'm ordering proxy magic cards because a lot of the value of the newer cards has dropped significantly. So you can buy like 612 proxy cards for about $122. I could make 6 commander decks for that amount. Some stores accept it, some stores don't. The stores that we go to, they don't care. Long as you give them their $5 entry fee and you can play whatever decks you want. There's no way people can able to afford 3, 5, $10,000 cards for their commander. And a lot of time we play casual, so some casual costs a couple $100, some casual costs $50. But a lot of times is that we're gonna be playing a lot of those people were playing proxy decks. So we're gonna go with proxies because we all agreed. For several of the sets, they keep reprinting the cards, and the value is going down on a lot of our older cards. So it's like what, we're just gonna do proxy. You don't have to worry about it. They were like 12, 14 cents a card, so you don't have to worry about the value of each card anymore. Well, anyhow, that'll be it. Subscribe, like, and share. Let me know if you have any questions. See you guys next time after I get a nice nap or sleep. See you guys. Bye.